just on a 85% lean.
Go on. Well, this is just the shorter route. We'll just have to walk a little longer for it anyway.
Don't get stuck. Dang, it's a whole diaper. So we're doing something very stupid. We wanted to find somewhere to swim, and this moron Chester just parked in a no parking zone, and we're at like a terrible spot. So we're definitely gonna catch some type of disease. I am not swimming here.
Why not?
This is terrible. This is a bad spot.
No, it's not. Give it a chance. Come on.
It smells terrible. Change of plans. We're gonna climb this. This man is a professional idiot. Him too. Terrible idea.
Well, I'm out of ideas. Something else.
We can swim up your butt. It's not funny. All right, so we didn't swim anywhere.
Yeah.
Now we're going to just.
Oh, it's just a motorcycle. You're fine.
He's going slow too.
Watch your rhyme scream like it.
I don't want to get shin splints.
The short way. Wait, that's
We're stuck
having to believe it. Yeah. Speed run.
We'll speed run this, Joe. Yep. Chester went off by himself like an idiot. The coolest Senate member, as voted by me, nominated by me. Least coolest is Miles. Idiot. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna use the GoPro. I'm gonna go in.
Done is all the love that I had saved for you. Gone away my heart, locked inside a cage for you. And what this that has become a poor old maid. Try so.
Alright, I've been taking some pictures out here, mainly sports, because it's my birthday tomorrow and I wanted something to post. We got the boys, and I think we're dipping now. What?
Rainwater.
I can't hear what you're saying. Look at my direction.
Rainwater.
Rainwater?
Oh my gosh, you get it.
Look at me.
Rainwater.
Oh. Now that we're out from the sound of the waterfall. Back there, we're just taking some pictures. Ooh, that is a frog. You almost stepped on that boy. We're dipping now. There's like a rope here. It's gonna be kind of hard to do with one hand, but you know, we're gonna send it. Idiots. Climb much? I do this faster with one hand than you do with two.
Bro, I want to.
God.
Yeah, so that's
Lights on. Lift your lights on!
That's what I said. That's what I implied. That's what I said. That's what I implied. That's what I said.
Now we're going to get Mick.
That's really nice.
All she needed was had a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home, Roger.
Go home, Roger.
Tea and Tamara in my bed, I'm a smart guy.